Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Litecoin. Wanted to make an update on that. I've covered Litecoin a lot, obviously, before the halving and also after the halving. Now I'm covering it a little bit less, all right? I'm scaling out of it. Obviously, a lot of people were interested in it when it was moving a lot. Now it's probably getting back towards levels now it's probably getting back to movement like this, right? So a little bit less interesting. I still think it's interesting. Litecoin is one of the cryptos that's actually tradable the best, I think. But what we're seeing right now is that the volume is dropping down like rapidly, especially in the last few days. The price is also obviously way less bullish and trending less. So I'll tell you what I expect, because I still do expect big moves. And there's also a possibility to get some more bullish momentum. But overall, Litecoin is a bit more boring. All right, so we'll have to accept that. If you're still interested in updates on Litecoin, let me know. And I'll for sure keep doing them. But that's kind of the status of my updates and Litecoin in general. Now let's dive into the specifics of Litecoin, all right? What's going on? What can we expect? Before we dive into that, though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I send my own trades, but you also gain access to an active community full of traders and to my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining via cilinix.com or the links down in the description. But now onto Litecoin. So like I said, what we've seen with Litecoin, first of all, in terms of market structure, and this was also expected, most of you knew that this would happen if you watched the videos, is we had a dump after the halving, and that's an effect that I usually refer to as buy the rumor, sell the news, which basically means that you should sell when news actually comes, or when it's released. Like when the halving was actually done, we dumped. So that happened, and we actually got into somewhat more of a bearish market structure. Like right now, the EMAs are also trending down. There's some sort of an Elliott wave theory like this to be seen within the price. But that does mean, and that's also what we're seeing right now, that right now on the short term, there's room for a bit of bullish momentum right here in this fourth wave. Which is also going on right now. Like technically this whole area between $84 and $86 is possible to get into. And I think we actually, at this point in time, I am expecting us to get up a bit higher towards that $86 level. Now then the big question obviously is can we get a bullish breakout above that? Because that would be ideal, because if we get a bullish breakout above that, we're up to $90 and all of a sudden you're stable and you can actually consolidate, or Litecoin can consolidate. Is this a possibility? Yes, but it's only a possibility if Bitcoin all of a sudden today becomes very, very bullish and breaks above 29,500. And I don't think that's the most likely scenario. So for now, I still think we can get a nice fourth wave with Litecoin, but I do expect us to respect the wave structure. And apart from that also, I do not expect, I expect some bullish momentum from Bitcoin, but I don't expect any bullish confirmations / breakouts. So at this point of time, I think the most likely scenario for Litecoin is that we will get into this level between $84 and $86, but that will just respect that area, drop back down towards $81 and $80, and at some point of time, I still expect that fifth wave to drop down all the way to $77.5, which also aligns very, very well with Bitcoin's 28,400 level. And that's why I think that's an interesting level to buy from. I have my price alert set up. If the price gets close, I'll still make a decision on whether I want to buy or not from that area. But yeah, for now it looks interesting. Strong trend line, strong key level. But like I said, that's for the future. For now, this is my take on Litecoin. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.